How you doing? This is Joseph Graham. This video is for Custom Renovations. What you're looking at right now is called a heat map. Now, when somebody's looking for a service that you offer, someone is going to ask somebody they trust, right? Hey, my brother. Hey, Auntie. Hey, Donald. Do you know a good general contractor, or do you know somebody that can install these cabinets, or redo this floor, whatever? That's the word of mouth. Other than that, other than asking that way, they're going to hop on the internet, they're going to go to Google, and they're going to search for the service that you provide, right? When they do that, there's a 70% chance that they're going to call one of these top three businesses in these map listings right here. We've all seen them before on a cell phone. It probably just has a phone symbol, and you can just tap it and it'll call, right? 70% chance. This is where the money's at. This is where you want to be. How do you get there? I'll explain it. But first, let me explain this. So anybody in the Midtown Atlanta area, when they do a search for a general contractor, you will appear number one in that search. Okay? Anywhere else, let's say down the street, off of home part, you're the fourth, which means you're not being displayed. Which means there's 1, 2, 3 businesses that are more likely to get the call before you get the call. Does that make sense? So that's what this heat map shows. It shows anybody in a particular area doing a search for your service or for a general contractor and the results of that. So over here, these would be the top 3 businesses getting the phone calls. All right. So whenever you can start occupying or becoming number 1, 2, and 3 in more areas, you're going to start getting more calls and making more sales. All right. I'm going to explain how to do this in the next video.